Yo, hey, what's up, fam? Okay, so right now, in this very moment, millions of people are sitting on digital assets. They don't even understand yet, and the mainstream media isn't talking about it because they're too busy arguing about whether crypto is dead or alive. When the real story is happening silently in the background, and it's about to change everything you think. You know about blockchain technology. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down why Pi Network is becoming the biggest conversation in the crypto space. Not because of hype, but because of actual infrastructure being built that's going to affect billions of people worldwide. This video requires your attention from start to finish. So hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button because we're diving deep into something most creators won't touch. And you're gonna want to share this with everyone you know. Let's go. So here's what everyone gets wrong about Pi Network. And this is the foundational understanding you need before anything else makes sense. According to Nicolas and various community contributors at PyTown, we're not talking about a Bitcoin replacement here. That's the first myth we're destroying right now. Pi Network is solving a completely different problem than Bitcoin ever tried to solve. Bitcoin revolutionized the concept of decentralized currency, but it created massive barriers to entry. The infrastructure is insanely expensive. The speed is slower than your grandma's internet. And the energy consumption is literally powering small nations. Pi Network is looking at every single limitation Bitcoin has and literally asking, how do we flip this around completely? How do we make it accessible to billions of people? Not just the tech elite with expensive mining equipment in their garages. That's the real innovation happening. And that's why early believers have been holding this like religious artifacts because they understand the long-term vision here. Think about this for a second, because this is mind-blowing when you really sit with it. When Nicolas first mentioned Pi and the concept of bringing billions into crypto through mobile access, people literally mocked him. They called it impossible. They said it wouldn't work. The community was divided and skeptical. Fast forward to now and we're seeing conversations shift dramatically. People are actually discussing the real utility, the infrastructure, the ecosystem potential instead of just arguing about price or whether crypto is a scam. According to Ayildiz253 on the community channels, each microtransaction carries value. And this statement isn't just a throwaway comment. This is the foundation of how Pi Network is designed to function. Small transactions compounding across billions of users creates massive economic activity, and that's fundamentally different from how other blockchains operate. The microtransaction model is brilliant because it recognizes that not everyone has thousands of dollars to invest, but everyone has the ability to participate in a digital economy at any scale they can afford. Now let's talk about what's actually changing right now, because this is the game-changing information people need to understand. According to PyTown analysis and community updates, Open Mainnet isn't just a phase name. It's literally the day the city opens its doors to the world, and that moment is arriving. You see, before Open Mainnet, the Pi Network is like a closed system, with firewalls and barriers keeping things internal. But when Open Mainnet launches, the firewall comes down completely, the enclosed network opens up, and suddenly Pi can connect with external wallets, cryptocurrency exchanges, other blockchains, and outside services. This is massive because it means Pi transitions from being this theoretical project, people mine on their phones, to being an actual functional blockchain asset that people can buy, sell, trade, and use in real applications. That's not speculation. That's literally the infrastructure getting built right now. And notifications coming from the Pi Core team are signaling these transitions are approaching faster than anyone expected. Here's where it gets really interesting. And I want you to pay attention because this connects everything together. According to recent community discussions and the Pi Migrate notifications that swept through the crypto world, almost every pioneer is buzzing about what's next. And the reason is simple, because the community sees these signals as concrete evidence that major developments are incoming. But here's the critical analysis most YouTubers miss completely. The real story isn't just about token price going up. That's boring. And that's honestly not even the focus of smart investors right now. The real story is about ecosystem utility development. And that's what separates projects that survive 5 years from projects that disappear into nothing. Pi Network's core team just participated in a $12 million seed funding round led by Hack VC, and they invested in Axis Robotics, and I know that sounds random. So let me explain why this is absolutely revolutionary and why smart money is watching this closely. Think about artificial intelligence right now. Everyone talks about ChatGPT and digital AI, but nobody's talking about physical AI. And that's the frontier nobody's prepared for yet. Physical AI requires something digital. AI doesn't need massive amounts of real-world data, robot data, movement data, environmental data, and that data is incredibly expensive to gather manually. According to the Pi Core team's investment strategy and Axis Robotics mission, they're building infrastructure to solve this data crisis. And here's the connection that blows people's minds. Pi Network has millions of users globally. And imagine if those millions became data contributors, verification participants, and ecosystem builders for AI training data. That's not some random coincidence, that's strategic positioning. And it shows the long-term vision extends way beyond just being a payment network. Pi Network is positioning itself at the intersection of blockchain, artificial intelligence, and decentralized data infrastructure. And that's where the future wealth is actually being created right now. Now, I need to be real with you about something because as a channel that educates, not promotes, we have to acknowledge the challenges and the realities that most hype channels ignore completely. Building a sustainable blockchain requires more than just a massive community. You also need real security, quality applications, regulatory approval, actual real-world adoption, and most importantly, genuine trust from users who've been burned before. The Pi Network community is optimistic, and that optimism is justified based on the infrastructure being built. But expectations need to match reality, and progress needs to be measured and visible. The biggest risk to Pi Network isn't competitors. It's actually if the ecosystem doesn't develop meaningful use cases quickly enough, and if utilities stay theoretical instead of becoming practical. You've got millions of pioneers waiting and expecting, and if nothing delivers on that expectation, you're going to see skepticism creep back in, and that's natural. And that's healthy because blind faith doesn't build strong ecosystems. Skepticism and rigorous evaluation does. Let's analyze what's actually different about Pi's approach compared to literally every other blockchain project that tried something similar. According to PyTown's detailed breakdown, Bitcoin revolutionized the first chapter of crypto by solving the decentralized currency problem, but it left massive chapters unwritten. Pi Network is attempting to write the second chapter by focusing on these specific problems: barriers to entry, speed of user access, user experience, energy efficiency, and building an application ecosystem that actually functions. Bitcoin's barriers to entry are real. You need money up front. You need technical knowledge. You need expensive hardware or mining operations. You need to understand complex wallet management. Removes every single one of those barriers through mobile, mining through community verification, through accessible interfaces, and through education. That's actually understandable to regular people. That's not incremental improvement, that's rethinking the entire approach. And that level of innovation is why this conversation matters. Now here's the question I want you to think about, because this is the real strategic question: is Pi Network the natural evolution of what Bitcoin started? Or was this a long-term vision from the beginning of the crypto era? Was this always the plan hidden in plain sight? Or is it just brilliant adaptation to what the market proved Bitcoin couldn't solve? Honestly, both could be true. And that's actually how innovation works in technology. You have pioneers like Bitcoin that break through conventional thinking. And then you have builders like Pi that take that breakthrough and say, okay, now let's solve all the problems that create. These aren't competing philosophies. They're sequential solutions to different stages of adoption. And that's actually how technology scales from millions to billions of users. Let me break down the ecosystem development piece, because this is where most people get confused between speculation and actual value creation. For Pi Network to succeed long-term, and I mean years, plural, not weeks, the ecosystem needs to do specific things. Applications need to get built on top of Pi. Blockchain developers need to participate and see value in building on this network. Real economic activity needs to happen through transactions and genuine adoption by people who use Pi for actual purposes, not just speculation. When you look at community platforms and the discussions happening right now, the focus has shifted away from just mining and price speculation toward these concrete questions about utility and application development. That shift is the most bullish signal imaginable because it means the most engaged community members understand what actually matters for long-term value. And according to recent community analysis, various application developers are already exploring the Pi ecosystem which means the infrastructure conversation is moving from theoretical to practical implementation. Here's what separates informed people from people who just follow hype. And this is the critical distinction I need you to understand. Hype people say this is going to moon, or this is the next Bitcoin without any real analysis. Informed people study the infrastructure, they understand the tokenomics, they analyze the team's moves, they watch ecosystem development, and they ask specific questions about regulatory compliance, security audits, and real-world use cases. Pi Network's strength isn't that it's hyped up and over-promoted. Its strength is that, despite zero marketing push from the core team, the community continues growing and discussing meaningful developments. That's the opposite of how most blockchain projects work. And that tells you something significant is actually happening underneath all the noise. The community's optimism is based on tangible infrastructure development. And that's a foundation you can actually build confidence on. Now I want to address the elephant in the room about expectations, because this matters tremendously for your decisions moving forward. High expectations in the crypto industry come with enormous risks, and I cannot stress this enough. Everyone who's been in crypto more than 2 minutes has seen projects with massive communities completely collapse because the execution didn't match the promises. And I'm not saying that's going to happen with Pi. I'm saying it's a risk that intelligent people acknowledge and monitor continuously. The only metric that actually matters in determining Pi Network's future success is whether the ecosystem develops real utility that people genuinely use without hype or speculation driving the numbers. Applications need to be practical, transactions need to be happening at meaningful volume, and the user experience needs to be smooth, enough that regular people can use it intuitively. Those are measurable indicators, and those are what you should be watching, not price speculation or community excitement. The role of pioneers in this entire equation is actually profound and different from most blockchain projects, because Pi Network built community participation into the very foundation of the network. Pioneers aren't just users sitting on the sidelines. They're literally part of the infrastructure through node participation, network verification, and community engagement. The more actively the community contributes, the greater the opportunity for sustainable development, and that's a brilliant design because it aligns incentives between the network and the community. When you're not just a user, but an actual contributor to the system, succeeding your level of commitment changes fundamentally. And that's why the community has stayed engaged through years of development without massive price pumps or external hype. That's the kind of community foundation that actually builds sustainable blockchain ecosystems. So what's really happening right now, in this exact moment, is Pi Network is transitioning from internal development phase to actual market interaction. And that's where the real story begins, not ends. Open Mainnet isn't the finish line. It's actually the starting line, because that's when the real challenges begin. Real exchanges, real regulation, real security vulnerabilities, real competition from established cryptocurrencies, and real pressure to deliver use cases. According to community notifications and core team signals, we're watching this transition unfold in real time. And for people who've been paying attention, the positioning is obvious and strategic. If you've been skeptical, that's healthy. If you've been believing, that's also okay, as long as it's based on infrastructure analysis, not just faith. The next 18 months are going to determine absolutely everything about whether Pi Network becomes a significant blockchain player or becomes a cautionary tale. And that's not hyperbole, that's just how technology adoption works. For everyone watching right now, I need you to understand something crucial. This is not financial advice, and I'm being intentionally clear about that. Because we operate in a space where people make bad decisions based on hype, and I won't be part of that. Before you make any decisions involving your money, talk to actual financial advisors. Do your own research beyond just YouTube videos. Understand your risk tolerance and never invest more than you can afford to lose completely. The crypto industry is volatile, unpredictable, and full of legitimate risks. Alongside genuine opportunities in acting, like one without acknowledging the other, is irresponsible. Now, that being said, understanding what's actually happening technically and strategically in projects like Pi Network is valuable information, regardless of whether you choose to participate financially, because this technology is coming, whether you're involved or not. This is exactly why I'm asking you right now to share this video with everyone in your circle, because most of the content out there is either mindless hype or pure FUD, and there's barely anything in the middle that actually educates people with substance. You need to share this till the end spreads. Because the information here helps people make better decisions. And that's what matters. If you genuinely found value in this analysis, then hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell. Because we're putting out deep dives like this regularly, and the more subscribers we have, the more resources I can dedicate to bringing you premium research and analysis. Go check out our other videos on the channel, where we break down blockchain fundamentals, analyze ecosystem development, and discuss cryptocurrency strategy that actually makes sense. I appreciate you watching all the way through. I appreciate your support, and I genuinely hope this gave you real information that shifts how you think about Pi, network, and blockchain technology going forward. That's what it's all about, family. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.